Hello everyone, this is Amir Mohammad Shahsavarani from AUA Framework team. We are glad to have you in this series of videos to introduce our AUA Framework in .NET 8. In this second video, we're just wanna inspect the tables of the database that we have created in the previous first video. Okay, for these databases tables, I would like to first make a diagram. Okay, these tables are used to make the diagram. Close. Let me first put them all together. Starting from app user, then the account. We'll put here. Okay. Then count row. We'll put here, and we do have some row here. Then we use the user role access and user access. Okay, that's great. So this is our table. Let's see here. So as you can see, we do have some users here, which you all know that user. Any user can have accounts or account depending on your business. Accordingly, each account can have one or more than one roles, which we have seen in accounts role. And accordingly, each role in the account can have one or many access and user access for roles, which depends on your business, and we will discuss it later. And you have the documents already in our AUA Framework site document part. And these user access that we have put here, these can be defined on controller or action as you wish. And again, this depends on your business and the architecture of your specialized and tailored and customized system. Okay, we do have two tables here, active access token and client token. First, active access tokens are just active tokens that are in our system. We don't use it, just the CPU uses these tokens. These tokens are not in iOS side, just the CPU side, and we just use it whenever the tokens are refreshed, and this shows which tokens are active at the moment, at a given moment. For example, now, okay, these tokens are not on iOS side. Please remember it, and we do not use it. This is a system generated token, and this table client, the client table refers to our user interfaces that we would have, for example, web application, for example, mobile application, desktop application, etc. Everything that you may need and you may use for your business. And as you can see, and I think it's not something complex and you will understand it easily. You can see that we can make some expiration for each um, user interface separately. We can make refresh tokens separately, and all of these would be accessible here, and we will discuss them together in next steps. So these are done now here. Let's go back to our Visual Studio and we would run the application together to see what we do have here. Okay, for running this, just reset the run system. You can see these are working all together. Need some time to load up. Okay, make this here just okay. As you can see, this is our layout for a backend. From the top, we can see the definition for the versions, version 1, version 2, version 3, that you can choose. As you can see, because our free version and our free to use plan is based on version 1, you can just use here version 1 to see this layout of the APIs. Okay, for authorization, we've put this all together here. You can just set admin. The password is exactly admin2. Okay, nothing else. You're just set is authorized, and it will take a moment. You can see that you are authorized at admin here. Hit close and it works. As you can see, all the APIs here are open and you can check it. So for example, if we would wanna test, we can come to app user. You can see here, we just, for example, user report, we wanna try it. Okay, let's just try it out. Good, we don't need these, just 3 first. Page number, for example, put it 1. Page size, put it 10. And please remember, if here in total size, we will just discuss it fully in the report part, but please beware that if you do not set 0 here in total page, it wouldn't calculate all the pages and does not get back the total size. But if you put 0 here, it will get you back the total size and calculate it. Okay, we just put execute. As you can see, it is done. It shows anything that would be here, so you can see that we have no one here registered. Then coming downsize, and this is the result of the system because the system is empty at the moment. Okay, we can go up to the login system. As you can see, for login, as you can see, we can open it. Okay, we'll just have here in the login menu, username, we just put admin, and password would be admin as preset and defaults. For client ID, we do not put a string here because as you would see in SQL in client, you can see that we have put first client ID for is default. We've made is default is true, and because of this client identity here is saved at the default and the admin. But if you want to use another one, you can put this is default true and make some exceptions as you wish. Okay, so just using admin and admin for username and password, and we'll just execute it. As you will see here, it returns the response that username admin, first name Brahim, last name Lutfi, role ID 1, and as you have set here, mm, role ID. Okay, here we've just put everything. Then coming back, user access codes, we have defined 7 access codes and 7 layers. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer, it depends your business. And then token type, then access token expiration minutes, the time of expiration of each token in minutes 60, and refresh token expiration. Then we have the expiration ins, the refresh token, and this is our access token, as you've seen, and that you can download it, you can copy it, everything here. Other issues here are Swagger token access that we have spoken about it, the tokens and refresh tokens that we have spoken, then the logout issue that you have seen how to log in out at the first issue. We're just wanted here to you seeing this issue. Okay, we just close it, and as you can see, we would explain all these layers step by step to you: domain entities, infrastructure, model, services, and web endpoints issues, so that you can use this AUA framework for your all projects, and you will see how we will speed up our making businesses using this AUA. We will come back again soon in our next video that we will explain everything step by step to you. Thank you everyone for watching our video, and we are looking forward to hear from you about your comments and about your ideas.